Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend we came to analyze for you the forex market and all the opportunities also we see and the pairs also we trade, because also we don't trade in those madness pairs, we just trade in those most readable pairs. And by the way, if you are a beginner or you are the first time you are here, also we are a channel specialized about trading. We analyze the stock, we analyze the Bitcoin, we analyze the Forex. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to benefit from all that and turn the bell notification for don't miss anything or any new video. And if you want to learn how to trade, down below you're going to find a 95% to my best selling course in Udemy. By the way, that course we sell it by $200, and down by using that coupon link you're going to buy only $12. I think it's a very good deal for you, and it's a 7 hours course. It's going to take you from scratch till you're going to be pro. There is live trading in that course, everything you're thinking of, money management, anything, you're going to find it there. So by taking that course, you're going to be a professional trader and you're going to change your mentally how to look at that market. And you can use it even in the stock market. If you are a day trader in the stock market, you're going to use that trading strategy. And if you want to use the brokers I'm using, down you're going to find in the description my 2 favorite brokers. So even you can join them and start benefiting from all that benefits of them. So my friend, for don't make that video too long, let's start by the first pair. So the first pair we got, it's EURUSD, and that one, as we said it last week, we said it from that level is going to drop, and that's what happened. Then it came down here, then it made that retracement in Friday, because also here we got a channel, a down channel, as you see it. There's a channel, a down channel, then the price it touched the down of it here, and look what happened, they're pushing up. So our view to it will go up more than that, it will retrace more up, maybe till 1.18434, and from there it will drop. So the EURUSD is for short, but not yet. We need to wait in the retracement till you get the setup to enter short in it. Only if you are a scalper you can take the benefit from that small upward move. But if you are a swing trader, wait it till it touching the up trend here, or the up of that channel, and from there enter short to downside. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The levels, first level here we got it at 1.18434, second one at 1.18048, third one at 1.17782, the last one at 1.17100. I think everything is very clear. And that one here, I don't think it will reach till it, but you don't know. That market is mad, but those days there is no volume in the market, so I don't expect to move too much, but I don't know. So my friend, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. So as you see, my friend, here in the RSI, as I told you last time, that divergence trend line of the RSI. So you see here the RSI now it touched it, so it will drop, but not yet. You need to make another retracement up till when we don't know. Then from there it will go down to touch the down divergence, and I will show you that down divergence now, as you see it here and here. That's a down divergence, my friend. That means the price it will go up, but that just in 4 hours. That means it will not go up too much, but we don't know till when. So you waiting the price to give you a setup and enter short in it. EURUSD, it's only for short, my friend. There is no buying. Remember that. EURUSD, it's only for short. There is no buying, my friend. Remember that. EURUSD is only for short. There is no buying, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the British Pound USD or the cable. And that one, as we said it last week, from here we said it's going to drop, and that's what happened. But now, it make the retracement. We don't know till where that retracement, my friend, but the trading, so it needs to go up more than that. So if you are a swing trader, don't enter in it now. If you are a scalper, you can take benefits from that small move. Maybe it will go up till 1.38972 or till 1.39336. And from there it will drop down. You take the first target here at 1.38367 or at 1.38. Remember those numbers, my friend. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. And as you see, my friend, that the RSI, if you remember that trend line we put it last week, and here the RSI haven't touched it yet, so our view it will come up and touch it again, then from there it will drop. That way, me I told you it's still an upward move. We don't know till where, but as I told you, you need to wait in the price to give you a setup to enter short in it. British Pound USD is only for short, but there is a upward move. We don't know till where, but it will drop down. Remember that, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the Aussie, and the one, as we said it last week, we said from that level here is going to drop, and that's what happened. And it came Friday, as every time Friday, as we said it was, people they taking the money of them from here, then it went up, as you see it. So our view to it will go up more till 0.74106, or it might from here that level it will come down. So you wait in the price to give you a setup, my friend. Then from there, take profit at here at 0.73131. I think everything is very clear, my friend. And as you see here, the Aussie what is giving you, it's being consolidated like that or sideways like that for some time now. So there is a big move is coming. We don't know when, because the Forex, that's the problem of it. Majority of the time it's still a range or sideways or it doesn't move. That's the problem of the Forex. That's why majority of people, because there is people they focus about trend. So when is it the market sideways, they're losing a lot, and there is people they focus about what can we say, a reversal. Those ones, when is it trend, they're losing, and when is it sideways, they're making money. So it's like that. It's vice versa. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI to be the picture more clear. As you see here in the RSI, we got that one, that up one. That one is a daily, as I told you last time. Every time you touch it, it fall down. And now we got something new. We got here down the divergence, as you see it. We got two divergence here. That the first one and that the second one. But in the RSI is only one. That the power of RSI. Let me show you more for the picture to be more clear for you, my friend. As you see here, the RSI is near to touch that one here. That's why I told you it's still going up. We don't know till where. Then when it touch it up, then it fall down here and it crossing down. Then you enter short, target of you here down that divergence line. Then from there you go up, because here is going to stay sideways. I don't know till when, till it's breaking one of the two. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got is the USD Japanese yen. And that one, as we said last week, from that level here, we said it's going to fall down, but look what happened. They make that retracement till that level here. Then from there it fall down, that big fall. Now the USD Japanese yen, maybe from here it will go down till 109.179. Then from here it will go up. So the USD Japanese yen this week is only for buy. There is no short in it. It's only for buy. But we don't know that retracement till when. So we need to wait it till the price give you a setup. Waiting, we don't know when. I don't know when, but we waited till the price give us a setup for buy, my friend. Everything is very clear. So the levels you got here. So the first target at 109.766, second one at 110.136, last one at 111.596. Remember those numbers, my friend? That one I don't know, he will not reach to it, but you don't know, so you be aware of it and you put it there. Maybe it will come down to it. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. In the RSI, as you see, my friend, here we got divergence, that one. At the first divergence. Second one is here. Here, where's the RSI now? So you see it? That's why I told you it's going to touch that level here. Then from here it will go up. Because now the price is given, the RSI now is given us a divergence. Remember that, my friend. So from here it will go up. Remember those things. So you be aware of that. I think that's it, my friend. The picture is very clear. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the gold. And the gold, as I told you last week, if you remember. And if you don't remember, you can go back and watch the video because everything is still in the channel. We haven't dealt it. You go back, I told you, from that level, the gold is going to move up. And that's what happened. Look what happened. They pushing the price down by that candle to hitting the stops here. Then from here, you see what happened. Told you the gold, you wait in the retracement for it, then you enter buy. Gold, Bitcoin, there are no short in them. Only buy. Always, no matter when there is a retracement, buy it and keep it. Don't sell it. Leave it with you. Gold is the safe haven. And us, we are in the days of pandemic. We are not in normal days, or we are in the days of crisis. All the world is in crisis. Look, the news is going to tell you we are in the crisis. Gold and the Bitcoin is the safe haven. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So now the gold, look what happened here. It came to that level. Our view to it will touch here that 1784.61. Then from there it will drop to 1757.35. Then it will go up, or it might do in another scenario break that up here till 1810. And from there it will make a retracement to 1784.61. Then you enter buy from here, take profit up here at 1843.58. Remember those numbers, my friend? So the gold is only for buy. Remember that. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. Let me zoom it. As you remember, I told you that support here, or that resistance here in the RSI. And that's what happened. The RSI touch it here. Then look what happened. They pushing the price up. So if you watching our analysis last week, would have you make real money from that. So this week, as you see here, the RSI is near to the overbought area. So our view to it will come down. Maybe it will touch that 50 level here. Then from here it will go up. And that's why what can I say, 70%. It will not come down till the oversold area. It's only from 50 level. Then from there it will go up. Remember that, my friend, because now the gold, they changed the direction. We are in an uptrend. So like that he will do. But you wait in the setup and your trading strategy to enter. Don't over enter blind person to that market. You need to enter using your money management and your trading strategy. Remember that. So the other pair and the last one, my friend, is the British pound, Japanese yen, and the one what I told you last week. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. I told you last week from that level here, enter short, and that's what happened. Look, so this week, and one other thing, let me show it to you here before all that in daily. What is it? That here and here. That is giving you double top. Double top, that's the first top, that's the second top. To trade them, you need to make a line here and you wait in the price to break here. But me, I don't trade that kind of things. Our view now to hit, it will come down to 151.641. Then from here it will come up to 152.445. Then from there it will drop, or it will go up again and touch the top where it's falling down. Then it will give you a triple top like that. Because now we are in sideways or consolidation. So the market, it doesn't move, but remember that British pound, Japanese yen or dragon is only for short. So the take profit of you, if you enter from 153.281, target of you is it here at 151.641. If you enter from 152.445, first target here, second one here at 150.365, last one at 149.285. Remember that, my friend. So my friend, that's it for that week. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. Here, as you see, we got that trend here, touch it here, and it falling down. Now, price, you need to fall down and touch the down one here. Then from here, he will go up and touch the top one. Then you enter short from here to the downside. I think everything is very clear, my friend, because now we will still in consolidation, because the RSI doesn't give us there is a trend yet. So that's it, my friend, for that week. So see you in the next week. And if you are not subscriber, please make sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends in YouTube and social media and all social media, and give it a thumbs up to support us to put more kind videos like that. So my friend, see you in the next week. Bye for now.